Hello, my friend. How are you? Today, again, we talk about hobbies. Don't say, oh, we talked a lot about hobbies. Oh, we always talk about hobbies. Relax. Hobbies are really very important. And let's practice your listening skills. Okay? I will not translate, so if you need translation, go on our website. In what hobby is this person interested in? Listen. I want to find a good place for vintage clothes. Portland, Maine. Vintage clothes. I also want to buy shoes and accessories. Any ideas? Is this person interested in technology or cooking, fashion, sports, or running? Next one. I want to create my own app. Help some people learn Spanish. I want to help some people to learn Spanish. Can anyone recommend a good company? Is this person interested in pets, technology, music, or cooking? Answer these questions and comment your examples here. Are you interested in technology? Do you have your own app? Are you interested in fashion? Where do you buy clothes? Answer these questions and then go on our website and complete the exercises. Thank you very much. I'm Sophia and I see you next class. I'm good at skiing, but I'd like to try snowboarding.